Hello, what is feedback? In simplified terms, feedback is the process of returning part of the output of a circuit, system, or device back to the input, either to oppose the input, which is a negative feedback, or to aid the input, which is regarded as a positive feedback. We mentioned negative and positive feedback briefly before. These two are delivered to maintain a form of balance, and this occurs in all feedback systems. So let us start by taking a look at homeostasis. Homeostasis is a tendency of a system to maintain internal stability owing to the coordinated response of its parts to any situation or stimulus that will tend to disturb its normal condition or function. Continuing with homeostasis, it works by using positive and negative feedback loops. See, our system has a stable condition. Changing that will reduce functionality in the system and cause a breakdown. To avoid this, the system has receptors in it which monitor its environment and detect changes in it. These receptors send a message, which is feedback to the control center if there's an imbalance, and it tries to compensate to return it to its stable or working condition. This is explained in our little diagram. So that's homeostasis, and this is how it works. And that is how a thermostat regulates room temperature, which is an example of it. Now let us look at user feedback. Companies use this, especially through surveys or testing, to improve upon their products and services and maintain customer satisfaction. Feedback gives them ideas on sectors which are good or need improvement. An example of this at work can be seen in software trial tests and beta releases, which are used to perfect the final product before release. A control system is a mechanism that alters the future state of a system. All control systems have an input and a plant, which is the system to be controlled. The input acts on the plant, which produces an output. This type of system is called an open loop system because the input does not depend on the system output. In a closed loop system, the output has a direct impact on the input, with corrections being made based on feedback from the input. An example can be seen in our diagram of a smart lighting system. The photocell sensor delivers feedback to the plant, and this is used to adjust room lighting during daytime and nighttime. This is a closed loop system. Without the sensor, it becomes an open loop system. So that brings to an end our look into feedback systems. We hope it has been informative and educational.
Created using Powtoon.